Hey, you drop money. Going down. What's the total? 1,000. 1,000? 1,000 pot? He's shaking, huh?
That bit was like
$1,000 raise?
I seen that.
I know. I heard him. I'm shaking. I'm like, all right, you better shake. You gotta shake.
Come on, goddammit. Hold on,
Let me get the bikes, both bikes, so you guys could have an idea. $1,000 pot. Sportsmanship, 1,000. So we got guys that came from Orlando, and we got people that came from DSR, came from down south. $1,000 pot on the 8th Immokalee Racetrack. These two are gonna go each other. Good luck, man. $1,000 pot. Start camp. And that's Leon camp on the White Helmet. $1,000 race. Orlando people got it. That was $1,000 race. Crazy, huh? No bueno. No bueno. If you need any help, I'm always around the corner. You know? Get it dialed in.
That was it. Just $100. That's all. I'll pay $100 for admission.
The formula's here. Huh? It's stuck right here in the brain.
You don't be wanting to test that shit, man.
Hey, good man.
That bitch can't get right. Hey, we gonna put a thing to why it can't get right.
We can fix it and probably we need oil change too. Go ahead. She's a little hurt. No big deal.
You can take care?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, come on, let's take a picture.
What was the total?
1,000.
1,000. All right. Good shit.
That was a nitrous pop.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube. So
Yeah.
I just all right. I got the from the beginning to the end.
Hey, we need to put the bike up. Hey, we need to go up to the front winter circle.
All right. You just saw it. Uncut. Leon from Tampa, Orlando.
She's good right there.
You want to get it up? Fix the brake seal. Hey.
That's the best feeling ever, bro.
Oh yeah. Yep. Let's go. Yep. There you go.
There you go. Easy money. Alright, let me take a picture. Alright, you good. That's it. The date is 2/25/24. They drove all the way from Orlando. Best feeling ever, bro. I know how it feels. They got this monster over here. I don't know if they're gonna race. You gonna race this one today too or no? All right. Okay. So they're not racing this one today. They came to race the small block. Bent axle. You got aluminum axle or chrome moly axle? The garden. We bend one here.
Yeah.
We bend the aluminum like
You must
this.
have been there yesterday. It's brand new axle, whatever I had it.
Comprate el chrome moly.
Yeah, get a chrome moly,
Chrome
yeah.
moly all day. And that tire, that 10-inch, that's a 10-inch with
This
the
one, the 18.
yeah, 18.
This one, yeah, 18, yeah.
Yeah, 10 by 8. The tire, the rim is 10, and then the tire is 18.
8.
Yeah, yeah, we went through that. Well, it is what it is. You got some money to buy some axles now.
Huh?
You got some money
Oh,
to buy
yeah.
some axles
Yeah,
right now.
it's
No
all right.
excuses.
What's that?
Not yet, not yet. No, we gotta fix the seal. We pushed the crank seal out.
Yeah.
We gotta push it back in.
Alright.
Push it back in. It's leaking.
All right, cutting it. That's it. Later.